Hello children, after a long gap I am back again with question number 9 from exercise 9.1 of NCERT class 10 mathematics book. Okay, so hope you have practiced and you have started doing questions from 9 to 16. I hope you have tried. If you have been successful, then it's very good. I'm very happy. But if you have failed somewhere, then you can refer to this video. Okay. So the question is, now I'm coming back to the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the building. So now again let me use the color pens and try to draw the diagram so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, acha. Now it is given that we have a building. So let me draw the building here. Okay, and then it is telling that we have a tower. The tower is somewhere here. Okay, foot of the building to the top of the tower, and then top of the building to foot of the tower. Okay, and now it is telling that the distance between both of them, it is not given. I think you have to find out the height of the building. So what is the building? So now I am naming it. Okay, let me name this as A, this is B, this is P, and this is Q. Okay, so what is the tower here? This is the tower. And what is the height it is given? If the tower is 50 meters high, this is 50 meters. This is the building, and it is said that you have to find the height of the building. Nothing is given about it. Then this angle, the height or the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, this is 60 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower, this is 30 degree. Okay, now what is the question? We have to find out the building. Okay, so let us start doing. You all have become very big masters in trigonometry right now, so I am going on doing. You can go on, you take out your copies and you start doing with me. That will be very fruitful then. Okay, if you take out your copies, PQB in triangle PQB, what do you have? I can straightway say that tan 60 degree is equal to PQ by BQ. What is tan 60 degree? It is root 3. So you have PQ, how much it is? 50, and BQ not given. So let us keep it PQ. Okay, or we can say that BQ is equal to 50 by root 3. Okay, meters, millimeters, equation 1. Now, in triangle ABQ, so tan 30, because height and base, tan 30 is equal to AB by BQ, which gives, what is tan 30? It is 1 by root 3 is equal to, let building be, let us keep it like that, AB, and PQ is, keep it like this. So now here I have got BQ is equal to 50 by root 3. Here also I want to keep it like that. BQ is equal to, what will be BQ? It is equal to root 3 AB. Name it as equation number 2. Okay. Now from equation 1 and 2, see, we have two ways. What is it? Either you can substitute the value of BQ in equation 1, or equation 1 and 2, both of them have BQ is equal to 50 by root 3 and root 3 by AB. So you equate the right hand side. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2, I can say that 50 by root 3 is equal to root 3 AB. Okay. Or it implies that AB is equal to, what will happen? Root 3 will come here. So 50 by root 3 into root 3, that is 50 by 3, which will be equal to how much? 1, 6, 2 by 3 meter. So therefore, what was AB? AB is the height of the building. Therefore, the height of the building is 16 2 by 3 meter. Clear? Now, have you understood this one? The answer is the height of the building. It is 16 2 by 3 meter. Now, question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. See, equal heights, two poles, equal heights, remember this, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So let us draw the diagrams. Okay, so it is given that two poles are of equal height. So I am drawing both the poles in the same color then. Okay, and then it is telling that this one is making an elevation. Now I am using two colors here because I want to tell you, see, this is the difference what I wanted to tell you. This one, let me draw it first and it will be easy for you to understand. Fine, my job is over here. So now let me introduce the diagram to you. Two poles of equal heights. So these are the two poles. I am naming it as P, Q, and this is, let it be A, B. It is equal height, so I am naming this H. If this is H, then this is also H. So what do you know? We know that I am writing here AB is equal to PQ is equal to H. Then the road is on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. That means this is your 80 meter. Clear? From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree. So 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So here I have one assumption. So let this distance be small h. If this is small h, then what will be this? Can it be 80 minus small h? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So here we have assumed that let it be, let us name it as R. P, Q, R, it will be easy. Let Q, R is equal to H. Okay. Okay, fine. So now let us solve it. So let us take in triangle PQR. What do you know in triangle PQR? I can say tan 60 degree is equal to PQ by QR. What is tan 60? Root 3. What is PQ? It is capital H. What is QR? It is small h. Okay, or I can say capital H is equal to root 3 small h. Name it as equation number 1. Now consider in triangle ABR. Okay, triangle ABR, I can write same way like question number 9. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB by BR. Okay, what is tan 30? 1 by root 3. What is AB? Again, it is H. So I can write H. What is BR? It is 80 minus H. Okay, you have got 80 minus H. Now, in place of this capital H, I am writing root 3 small h. Okay, here it is small h, so I am putting everything in terms of small h. So 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3 small h by 80 minus h. So now let us cross multiply. So 80 minus h you have here, then root 3 into root 3 is the 3h, or 80 is equal to excuse me 4h, which implies h is equal to 80 by 4, that is 20 meter. That means what we have got? We have got QR is equal to 20 meter. Fine. Okay. If QR is equal to 20 meter, then what can I say? From equation 1, we get what is capital H? It is root 3 into 20. So I have 20 root 3 meter. Okay. So what is capital H? So now you have got AB and PQ as root 3 meter. Now we want to find out this also. So you know small h is 20, and so what will be BR? It will be 80 minus h. So I can write QR is equal to 20 meter, and I can say BR is equal to 80 minus 20, that is 60 meter. Okay. So what is the final statement I can write? Therefore, the height of the poles are 20 root 3 meter. Then the distance, what will you write about the distance? Distance of the point from the poles are, and the distance of the point from the poles are how much? 20 meter and 60 meter respectively. Okay, so please remember to write the final answer. Okay, just write down the last statement and then put the values that you have got. So this finishes question number 10. Okay, and in the next video we'll have 11, 12. Okay, thank you. Till then, practice. Meet you next time. Bye.